Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the OCP Future Technology Symposium Awards Ceremony. I'm Lesya, the chair of Future Technology Symposium.
And I'm Allan. I'm the chair of Future Technologies Initiative.
Future Technology Symposium is a forum that spotlights future opportunities and challenges in our industry and bring them closer to the OCP community. Today, we are going to announce the winners of best papers in 5 tracks. And before we do that, we have a very special guest, Bechtolsheim. Andy is the OCP board member, chief development officer at Arista Networks, and co-founder of Sun Microsystems. Andy, welcome.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I was tasked to talk about both the challenges and the opportunities, and I have to say up front they go hand in hand in this era. So I think the biggest change in all of the IT landscape in the last many years has been this incredible shift from what was traditional enterprise computing to the cloud. So for those of you who are still selling to enterprise, it's getting not easy, it's getting a lot harder, because not just the hardware, but the entire investment is really happening in the cloud level. And of course the challenge for any new company, and it's by the way, it's really great to see all this innovation here and all the exciting things that people are working on, but the ultimate challenge is you have to somehow get in bed with one of the cloud companies to get to volume, right? So that is the challenge. Now the opportunity is at an event like this one, where one can have informal discussions and meet literally the decision makers at these large cloud people walking around on the floor here. This is this informal setting, of being able to exchange the latest ideas and what are the burning topics in the cloud and what problems are the most urgent ones is unparalleled. Now, before they had the summit, I don't even know how you would have gotten in touch with these same people, right? So being here and having this opportunity to exchange ideas with your target audience, which is really the end customers, is the best strategy to see what's both happening and how to make progress. Now I can relate to you in my own career, which most recently was the Arista company. When we started, our luck in life was to get engaged with the cloud, and the majority of our revenue today is with cloud companies. But this was before they had OCP, so it was actually a lot harder to get a hold of people to explain to them why a startup could do a better job solving the problem than some other big company that they have used in the past. But we got through, and so the rest was worked out really well. And the other thing here is that the timelines are literally accelerating. So between in the old days, it took, I don't know, years from first PowerPoint ideas, prototype, products, volume production, and maybe it still takes years. However, the need in the market for solutions, for example, in the AI optical space, or in spaces where demands are increasing by an order of magnitude every year or every other year, is tremendous. So the ability to be nimble and be able to react to what's really happening in this outside world, with all the great presentations we had an opportunity to attend here, is truly amazing. And I have to tell you, I learned a lot of things attending all the technical talks myself, like from water cooling, how tough it is to get the quality of that water correct, that it actually cools correctly. I had no idea, so it's much harder than it sounds, as an example. But I hope you had a chance to enjoy some of these very good technical talks and had chances to interact with your prospects and like-minded people in the context of this setting, which is really unparalleled. There's no other event or trade show or anything anywhere except maybe OCP in Europe, where you have a chance to do this. So I guess that's what I wanted to share with you. If you have any particular questions that I can answer, I'm happy to try to do that. But again, thank you for your enthusiasm and your involvement with OCP.
Thank you, Andy, for your time.
Thank you, Andy.
And now we are going to announce the winner in the data center sustainability track. So the winner in the data sustainability track is Deborah Andrews, London South Bank University, the Circular Data Center Compass. Deborah, please. Yeah. We have a photo. Deborah, thank you for your paper, and thank you for participation and traveling from London to here.
Next up, we have power and server, and we have Yingchen Zhu from Cal Berkeley.
So the paper that they submitted is a switch boost bar converter for next generation microprocessors. Next is the biggest topic of this OCP Global Symposium is AI. Our next track is AI HPC. And the winner is Matthew Williams, Rockport Networks, with the paper, The Future of AI ML Innovation is a Row-Scale Disaggregation.
Thanks for the opportunity.
You want to introduce?
Quantum. Is this our last one?
No. There's net. Oh, net. Quantum and then network.
Next up, we have network, Richard Pitwan.
No.
Oh, shoot. Next.
Once again. Can I try it?
Yes.
So you know that future technologies are working towards really future technologies. Our next track is quantum. So the quantum is a new track for this year, and we also had presentations at the Global Summit. So the winner in the quantum track is Richard Pivot, Resolute Photonics, advanced in the quantum interconnects technology.
My kids are going to be really happy.
Excellent.
And finally, network. So I'll do it, Allan. So the winner in the network track is Rob Kalman, Avicenna Tech, ultra-low power, high-density parallel micro-LED optical links.
So we have to pull this off together, is what
Yes.
she said.
Do you want to say something?
No.
And now we are ready to announce the winner of the overall OCP Future Technology Symposium. And you will see the prize. So the winner of the 2023 OCP Future Technology Symposium is Matthew Williams. The future of AI ML innovation is a row-scale disaggregation. Matthew.
Oh, wow. This is, I don't know what to say. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Matthew, can you tell us a little bit about your company and the paper that you submitted?
Sure. So Serio is a new name for Rockport Networks. And what we talked about in the paper is the ability to compose PCI Express devices and in the future CXL memory at row scale. So leveraging a distributed underlay fabric with distributed switches and using that to do large-scale any-to-any composability to give cloud providers, even enterprise, even academia, the ability to flexibly build nodes on the fly out of a very large pool of a mix of different types of accelerators so that it can match the requirements of a job as at job runtime. So huge efficiency, innovation gains, and yeah, very excited. We have some early access partners who already have the hardware. So this is actually something that's going to be happening, early next year. We'll actually be in full production. So if you want to learn more, give me a shout. Thank you.
Thank you, Matthew. I would like to thank our audience for spending time today with us at this symposium. Of course, our presenters, the authors, tech demo participants, everybody who participated, contributed, got involved with the Future Technologies Symposium. It was one of the biggest so far, our program with more than 100 presenters and speakers at this symposium. I would like to thank my co-chair, Allan Smith, for helping with FTI FTS. I would like to thank the OCP Foundation for making it happen and for supporting our efforts on bringing future technologies to the OCP community, as well as FNTech team who helped during the whole day and continue to help tomorrow. So thank you so much for all your efforts and for your time. I would like to thank the program committee. For the next year, we're looking for the program committee based on a 2-year term. So if you're interested, please reach out to us. Symposium will take place at the Regional Summit in Lisbon in April, as well as at the Global Summit next year, later in October here in San Jose. So if you're interested, please reach out to us. Follow us on social media, get information how to submit papers, how to submit technology demonstration, and how to get involved with our trusted community and partners. Thank you so much for your time, and we'll see you later.